Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to stream on a TikTok on PC OBS. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to github.com and search for TikTok stream key generator. So guys, you can search this on Google as well. You can just simply go for TikTok stream key generator and go for GitHub and you will see the link as you can see over here on the first one. And from here, just simply go click on this over here on the releases, and from here just simply click on this stream key generator.exe, and after that just simply download it into your computer. And once you have downloaded it, just simply go ahead and open it up, guys. So as you can see, this is the app. I'm gonna open it up, and after that just wait for it to load. So guys, first thing that you will do over here is just simply click on log in over here down below. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and log in using your QR code over here and just sign in using the camera of your phone. And once you are signed in, guys, just simply provide the title, the topic, the game, and the region. And from here, you can go for mobile screen share or mobile camera stream. So it will be depending on you. And from here, guys, you can go for age restricted and you can choose a thumbnail as well. And when you click on go live, you should be able to see here your server URL. So from here, just simply open up the OBS, and after that, just simply go to the settings over here. And from here, just simply go to the stream and go to the service over here and go for custom. And from here, just simply provide your server key. So guys, your server key will be here on the middle. So just simply copy it. And after that, guys, just paste it on the server key, and your server name will be on this at the top, and just simply paste it over here. And after that, just simply apply and click on OK. And from there, you should be able to stream with OBS. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.